Hi there, students. To check up. To check up on. And a checkup as a phrasal noun. Okay, if you check up or you check up on something, you verify, you have a quick look, you make certain that there are no problems. So I dropped by to check up on my friend to make sure that he was okay. Okay, so to check up on something, to make sure it's okay, to discover what is happening, to be certain that somebody is doing what they should be doing or they are well. So my mum is always checking up on me to make sure I'm doing my homework. The boss is always checking up on us to make sure we're doing what he told us to do and we're not wasting time doing something else. So to check up on someone, to find out what they're doing, to make sure they're doing the right thing, to make sure they're behaving correctly, they're doing something legally. Yeah. Okay, you go to the doctors for a checkup, a thorough examination, yeah, a medical one or a dental one to detect problems, because they are checking up on your health. Yeah, they're examining, they're inspecting, they're evaluating. Yeah, so to check up, a checkup, and a general examination of the condition of something. Before I went on holiday, I took my car for a checkup. Notice a checkup could be one word, it could be hyphenated as well. And then to check up on something, you find out information about something. Checking up is finding or verifying information. It's certainly worth checking up on how much holiday pay you're going to get. Okay, so to check up on someone, to obtain information, very often secretly. She thought that he was having an affair, and she was checking up on him. Yeah, a medical checkup to make sure that there is nothing wrong. Okay. As a teacher, it's best to have a test from time to time to check up on your students' understanding of what you are trying to explain. I just checked up on the children and they're asleep, so there's nothing to worry about. Yeah, to check up on something, to determine the state of it. Please stop checking up on me. I can be trusted. There's no need to check up. Notice, to check up without the on, normally intransitive. So he needs to check up. He needs to check up on this. And this is the case of do you use an object or not? Okay, he's checking up on me. He's checking up on what I'm doing. But he's just checking up, no object, intransitive. So check up, intransitive, check up on, transitive. Okay, so to check up on someone, to make sure everything's going as it should, to make sure people are doing what they're supposed to be doing. They're not bunking off or doing something wrong. So to verify the accuracy of something, to verify that something is going the right way, to check up on the information, to make sure it's okay. So let's see, yes, I'm going on holiday tomorrow, so I'm just going to check in internet. I want to check up on the flight to make sure everything's okay. So to check up on, to verify through examination. Yeah, and then a checkup, one word or hyphenated, an examination of something. So to check up, formality. I think 4.5 in formality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, but stop there. Yeah, and the origin, well, you're checking, and the up afterwards, making sure everything's okay, I guess. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To check up on something, a checkup.